guys, today I got a very special delivery from my home all day, so I'm excited that it's finally here. I've been waiting like over a month for it, and I can't wait to share with you guys what it is. And I'm going to unbox it and then kind of give it a review. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you aren't already.
Okay, so what we got here is the Booty Sprout. So it's a hip thrust machine, and I have been working out from home for a couple months now because of the pandemic. And my gyms are still closed to this day. So I ordered this maybe a month into being quarantined, and it came like a month and a half later. So I don't know when the gyms are opening back up, but I'm glad I finally got this. So now I can utilize my home gym that I have that's also been closed. So I'm excited to unbox this for you guys.
So I'm going to kind of fast forward the whole setting up process, but I heard that it was very easy to set up, so I'll just kind of be showing a little bit of that, and then I'll go over if I did think it was easy or not. I'm not really a handy person, so we'll see, but here we go.
Okay, that was definitely such a breeze to open, and it was already put together, which was awesome. On the wood is where my feet will go, and the middle is where my hips will be and where the resistance will go over, and then my back will go placed against the foam.
I'm really looking forward to using the Booty Sprout. Like I said, I haven't had my chance to get on any type of equipment besides some dumbbells that I have and the bar that you may have seen in my video. I'm excited. I love it. I love the concept of it. I've seen people do other type of workouts with the Booty Sprout just besides the hip thrust. So I may do that as a separate video of how I do different workouts I can utilize on the Booty Sprout. Maybe I'll check back maybe a month or so from now, but for now I would definitely recommend it. It's super safe, super high quality. The Booty Sprout is $164 plus tax, of course. I think they are still behind on their shipments from everyone trying to buy them. I think that it's a good price for what we're getting for this. The extra resistance bands that I have to buy are about $14 to $16 just for like one, which isn't too bad. The reason why I got the Booty Sprout machine is because hip thrust is a staple in my glute and leg workouts.
Hip thrusts are designed to help improve your strength, power, and speed. Hip thrusts also increase stability in the lower back and core. I really enjoy using the Booty Sprout machine, and I would definitely recommend.